Hello everyone, it's Ahum here. Today I am showing Python basics, Python installation to its syntax, variable and data types. Okay? So, and also what is a code editor and how to use it. So, simply go to Google Chrome. After going to Google Chrome, simply search for Python installation. Okay, go to download Python. You can download the latest version of Python. Simply click on download Python 13.2. Also, there is a pre-release version. If you, I'd recommend download a stable version. Simply click on this button. Then I linked my how to install Python properly and add to environment variables link in description. So let's see after you install the um, Python. So how to add to environment variable path. Okay. Simply go to file folders. Soon go to your Python folder. Like here it is. This is the this is a Python version I installed. Simply add first if you are in directories tree like this directory direct local disk C or directory C, you can add simply copy this folder. Okay. If you are installed in another directory, simply first add first add this D directory, then add Python 13 this folder. Okay. We can also go you can simply go to environment, search for environment system variable path, then go to environment variables button, then go to path, then go to edit. Okay. Simply click new to add a path. Simply copy this path and paste. Simply add new, then paste it. Like I pasted this person. So delete everything. Like Like here, I first pasted the D directory, then I simply pasted the scripts. Okay, you need to add the scripts folder. Okay, first go to scripts. You need to add this part. Look, this script part to Python to your environment variables part. Okay, we can add this folder and this folder. It's required to install perfectly Python to your computer. After installing that, simply go to CMD, terminal or PowerShell, add write Python version. Here it is, Python 3.13.2. That's the later version of Python installed on my computer. If you see error, you need to add the Python part to the environment variables part section. Note, Python in the Python installation screen, like here it's installed. Right, this is the 3.11.9. You can repair. Sorry. Yes. Okay. If you need to install simply go to description and view the how to add Python to your environment variables video I showed in this video. But if you are asking how to install Python in your PC, Python always have a built-in option called add python.exe in the Python installation screen. Okay, so let's move on to the basics of Python. So you can use PyCharm. It's a popular Python IDE, or you can use Visual Studio Code if your PC is little bit slow. I'm using PyCharm Community Edition version. It's free. You can download via Google Chrome or your favorite browser. So I now opened PyCharm. So let's explain the basics of Python. I'm not telling the Python invented by GitHub and Rossum. And okay, let's explain the variables and data types. Read the caption, read the description for Python history, or you can search Google Chrome for more details. Okay, let's run our first code. Simply open a code editor, then type for print, then brackets, then double quotes, then simply hello world. According to many code programmers, Python is the easiest language. It's like feeling it's like reading simple English. Like I think many people understand. It's basically print hello world. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, it's print hello world. Okay, now simply write congratulations to the comment box. Okay, we basically wrote our first Python code. Okay, let's talk about variables and data types. So basically variable is a container. Like kitchen, we have many containers. We put rice, wheat, or anything else, whatever. Simply write A. Then you can write your favorite number. So what is that? A equals 12. How is it possible and what is that? Basically, A is a variable. You can assign anything to that, like sugar. Okay. So A is a container and you put sugar onto it. Okay. So basically, in this A variable, you assigned this string. This is a text. We Python, you can write text like that. That double quotes or also triple quotes like that. Okay. So basically, A is a variable. Let's write 12. Then simply print 12. Okay. It's basically prints the 12. Also, we can add this text. It prints low. Oh, sorry. A. Okay, now good. Let's print. So it's now prints below. Okay. Now, many people will confuse with this topic, but this is very easy. Just just quiet and understand the fundamentals of Python. In Python, if your fundamentals are strong, you can write anything. Okay. We can write variables like that or like that. That doesn't matter. But note, we can't use special characters like this, and variable can't start with digits. You can use a underscore and numbers like that. Okay. But a variable can't start with a number. Okay. Now, how to tell a query. Okay. So we can write variables like that. We can write name equals to um then 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 name. Very simple. In PyCharm we have this V. V means variable. V means what? Variable. Okay. Now it simply prints um the popular way to define a string. I know you are wondering what is string, what is this called. Simply we use this to print a string. This is a popular way, but you can also use double quote, single quote, or triple. So now data types. What data types? Data types in Python is looks like that. This is a integer. Many trainers don't write this thing, but I'm none of that. This is also a string. If you study, if you pass out the class 7, you know, in CBSC and ICSC we have a chapter called integers. Basically integers can be basically whole numbers or negative numbers, can be integer. Number is integers. So a positive number, negative number is that, and the positive number is that. Okay, can also write 0. So this is a integer also, and we can also, this is a float. This is what? This is a float value. Float means decimal. And this is a string. Mm, mm. PyCharm. So this is a string. We can declare string, double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes. So this is a string. Okay. We also have a boolean. Okay. True, true, or false. This is a logical operator. Forget about that. Let's make a comment. Oh, I didn't explain what is comment, right? So in Python we declare comment like that. Okay, hashtag comment. So this is a true Boolean. We have two values, true and false. Okay, yes or no. We also the none. None means nothing. This variable contains nothing. Sometimes we want to mark the variable don't contain nothing, none. We can also write multiple comments like that. I think this is not good simply, right? Boolean, okay? This is also a Boolean, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are many types of data types. Okay, we'll talk about later. So we learned 5 data types: integer, float, string, boolean, and none. 5 data types of Python. This is the mandatory. This is the basic. Okay. So we can also print these variables like that. Okay. If you understand, you can understand what will be the output of A. 12 minus 12, 5.7, this string, this boolean values or none. Let's run it. None. If you wrote a variable, now it will print none because Python runs script like if you are to see talk about later, okay? So it goes like straight, then you assign none to this variable. So it will print none because you later wrote the A equals hello. If you print this, now what will that get? That will print none and hello. So simply it's first print the last assignment value, then you later assigned hello. So it will print hello. I think you're getting this concept.